everyone, welcome to Vasoltar Prediction. This is for Virgos. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days and 15 days numerology and tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Third most important thing, guys, is that if you wish to donate via Google Pay and PayPal, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes, guys, let's check it out. What's going on with Virgos? This pattern this time has been changed. I'll be asking 10 questions and I'll be answering to those questions, okay, with the help of the cards. Okay, so yes, I wanted something new in the reading, that's why I did it. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers. And one more important thing, now international payments are being accepted via PayPal globally. The links are given in the description box below, so you can donate if you want to, or you can book globally if you wish to. Okay, so yes, so let's check it out. What's going on with Virgos? What are you going through currently? What are you going through currently? What are you going through currently? Karmic cycle is ending. Karmic cycle is ending. Definitely, you're going through some major transformation, major shifts, understanding. You are gaining a lot of clarity about certain things, certain situations right now, and you're going through some major karmic cycle and karmic cycles, karmic relationships, karmic connections are ending. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing, on the verge of ending. Okay, so like it's on the edge of ending. Okay, so yeah, the next question is, if you follow your present plan, what is the likely outcome of the situation? If you follow this ending, what will be the outcome? If you follow this ending, what will be the outcome? The outcome will be that you will understand how to do self-love and self-care. You will understand the meaning of self-love and self-care. And you are going through some major rebirth, Virgos, which is very good. Rebirth in the sense that whole your new perspective will be shifting. Your understanding about certain situations, certain connections will be changing. You will be realizing a lot of clarity when it comes to your life, your particular person, your particular life, particular situation. So you are going through some major rebirth, major transformation, and major shifts are happening, major changes are happening right now currently. Okay, and it will be the outcome in the month of September, that your whole plan of you will be changing your perspective with 360-degree angle. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing. The next question is, what do you need to know about your career, health and relationship? What do you need to know about your health, career or relationship? What do you need to know about your health, career or relationship? What do you need to know about your health, career and relationship? What do you need to know about your health, career, relationship? What do you need to know about your health, career, relationship? Okay, so Virgos, if your money was stuck, you will be releasing all, like money will be coming out into your career life. Okay, if you were stuck in a relationship, you are moving away from sneaky betrayals, dishonesty, sneaky energies, dishonest people, dishonest connections. So you are moving away from sneaky relationships. Okay, if you were into career, then if money was stuck, you are understanding and getting a clarity that money will be coming out in few weeks, or in the upcoming months money will be coming out. Okay, and you will be moving away after taking the money. You will be moving away from sneaky behaviors, or politics or problems into your career life. Okay, and if it was a health, if you were stuck up about your health, now you will be ready, like you won't be more disappointed, you will be better into your health condition, so do not worry about it. Okay, So now next question is, what do you need to do or to change or to improve this situation, whatever stuck energy is going on around here. So what you need to do or to change the stuck up energies, what you need to do or to change or to improve the stuck up energies. Your energies are stuck up, like it is being scattered all over the reading. Okay, so what you need to do, wow guys, I don't know, but your energies are stuck up. How many cards are happening, like it's coming out? What do you need to do or to improve this situation? Okay, so this sneaky energy, this problems, whatever current situations are going on, you need to end something, ending a relationship, ending a particular situation, and you need to move away from that. Okay, and you need to, you know, make a collaborative effort into your career, into your materialistic world. Okay, in building up your own empire, which is a beautiful thing. So just focus on your money related thing, pentacles, because it's all about you, it's all on you. You need to collaborate a lot of things, I don't know why, but yeah, you need to collaborate with something. You might be ending a job here, you might be ending a business here, and you just, you know, starting to collaborate with someone else, and you know, make starting an own empire. Financial abundance is on the horizon. So yes, I can see you might have a partnership deal with 3 or more people, and you will be building you will be working hard towards building up an empire, building up your own empire. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing, guys. And next question is, like, it means that equal give and take, equal efforts are required. Okay, so next question is, tell me something about how your person, what are his or her feelings towards you. Okay, this one I'm taking. Okay, so his or your person's feeling towards you is that your person feels that you are working hard towards earning money, towards achieving a goal. You are working day and night towards achieving a goal. Okay, you are just very much hard working. That's what they feel about you, which is very good. So where is this relationship going, might be going, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going. Okay, so there has to be a decision made related to relationship. Okay, if two people were into separation, okay, if you were married, if you were into a relationship, solid spiritual relationship, and but into a disconnection, into a, you know, into a separation for a long time, then a reconciliation will happen. But if you are a new person, and if you are, you know, not sure about a relationship, a solid decision is to be made related to a relationship. Solid decision in the month of September, a solid decisions you need to make related to a relationship. Okay, so what should you focus on from now? What should you focus on from now? This one I'm not taking. Universe is asking me, what should you focus on? What should you focus on? What should you focus on? Okay, so you just need to focus on your instability. If there is instability going on into your own life or into your materialistic world, there are two messages I am getting. You need to focus on your pentacles, on your money related thing. You need to make it stable. Okay, and the second is, there's instability going on into your home life, so you need to focus on your stability. Like, you need to focus a lot on sneaky energy, on, you know, happy family life. Okay, because I can see that there's instability going on when it comes to your materialistic world, instability going on with your home life. So you need to focus on both equally, like you need to focus on it right now. Okay, so yes, You need to focus on improving those two situations, your money related thing, your stability into your home life. Okay, so yes. um, what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Okay, hopes and fears. Your fear is that someone might cut you out, or you might cut a communication or a relationship. Your hopes and fears is there's cutting out of a communication, cutting up a relationship might happen. Okay, that is into your hopes and fears. But let me clarify the Knight of Swords. Sorry, Page of Swords. Yes, I need to clarify it more, guys. Okay, Knight of Swords, Page of Swords. Your hopes is that if you were at level 7, you can come back to level 1 again. So you don't want to start it all over again, right? So something. Your hopes and fears are, there is a blockage is moving forward. There is a blockage is in taking an action and moving forward. There is a blockage in having a big victory into your life. So there is a lot of blockages when it comes to long term relationships, long term commitments. A lot of blockages in moving forward, taking an action and moving forward. Okay, lack of confidence, lack of purpose, lack of self esteem is there. Okay, so yes, that is your hope. Okay, hope and fear. So what is your outcome? What is your likely outcome? What is your outcome? What is your outcome? What is your outcome? What is your outcome? Healing has been blocked, Virgos. So if you are healing, okay, there is some healing going on which has been blocked. Why? Because there is a divine timing playing its role. So you have to understand that healing you have to allow the healing. You are not trusting your intuition level. Your answers is within you, so you are not trusting an intuition level. You are just focusing on your external world, and there might be few fights, problems, issues going on into the external world, and you might be disappointed about it. But yes, at the same time, there has to be healing has been blocked because of this external environment, whatever is going on out in the outside world. But and that is why there is a cause and effect relationship, that healing has been blocked right now. That's the problem. You have to allow the healing to happen, because if you won't trust your intuition level, answer is within you. So you need to trust your intuition level. Okay, there will be few fights happening, disappointments will be happening, and healing will be blocked. It is coming in the outcome part. Okay, so healing will be blocked, and a lot of fights will be there around you in the month of September. So I'm really sorry, guys, but I cannot help it out. Whatever I am seeing, I am telling you. So just bear with me. Okay, there will be fights going on, and a lot of disappointments will be there into your external environment, Virgos, and that's why your healing will be blocked, because somewhere you are getting affected internally also with the same thing, with the same situations. Okay, so yes. Okay, universe is trying to tell you that have a strong communication, things about certain situations, certain lives, certain connections. Have a strong communication and clarity. A lot of clarity, communication, strong communication is needed in the month of September. A lot of you are maturing yourself. You are going through a lot of maturity. A new vision is expected. New vision will bring a lot of clarity when it comes to a certain life, certain situations, certain things. Okay, which is a very good thing. So let me just do it in a better way. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so Virgos, universe is trying to tell you that seven chakra archangel Uriel, okay, and a strategy. So you will be strategizing something, but yeah, what I am going to read it out for you guys. 41 and 21, 41, 131. Bear with me, guys. 131. Spirit connections, intuitions and inspiration. You need to trust on your intuition level, spiritual things, because universe is guiding you, and a lot of answers are within those messages which you are popping out for you. Okay, so trust your intuition level, guys. Okay, and 21 is strategy. I guess I know this, but let me read it out. Making a plan. Universe is trying to tell you that a big journey is ahead. Okay, a wheel of fortune is ahead of you, and a big journey is playing its role. It's all about divine timing, but you need to make a plan about certain situations, certain things. Okay, it might be career related thing, it might be a relationship, but you need to make a certain plan. Okay, in the upcoming weeks or in the month of September. Okay, so yes. Okay, Hierophant. So you just need to focus. Universe is just trying to tell you that focus on long term commitments which you trust on. Okay, you just need to focus on long term commitment. You just need to focus on yourself, long term values, traditions. Just trust it, because spirituality is playing a bigger role into your life in the month of September, which is a good thing. Okay, but just be aware of the sneaky energies around you, or endings and new beginnings, relationship ending, fights which is going on around you, instability into your own life, instability into your financial world. Okay, so just you need to focus on really hard, because it won't be a good month for you in the month of September. There will be zig and zag situation will be there. Okay, it won't be, the road won't be a plain thing. Okay, there will be hurdles on the way. Okay, so you just need to understand that. And yeah, kindly like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and kindly comment down below if you like this reading. Thank you, Virgos. Thanks a lot.